In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can take a screenshot in Windows 11. All right, so if you have a Windows 11 computer, the way that I'm going to show you how to do this can be specific to taking a screenshot of something particular on the screen, not just of the whole screen. So the way I'm going to show you guys how to do that is you're going to go down here to your search menu and then type in snippet, S-N-I-P. So right there, snipping tools, what comes up. After you type in the first few letters, it'll come up there. So just double click on that and then you'll see that this menu comes up here, snipping tool. And what you're going to want to do is click on new. And as you can tell, the icon, or as you can see, the icon changed here. Sorry, my screen's so dirty there, it's real dusty. But what you want to do is click on your bottom. I'm using a laptop, so if you're using a mouse, you'll just click and then drag the specific item that you're wanting to screenshot or select. So just for example, I'm gonna do the middle of the desktop here, and then once you let go, bam, it automatically saves it like that. So then you would go and save it to wherever you want to save it to, whether it be your desktop. All right, so once you have it like this, then up here at the bottom, you can do a save as, and then right now it'll save it in my pictures, or if I wanted to, just put it into the, on the desktop, you drag it up like that, change it to desktop, and then I'll hit save. And voila, as you can see, it took that little screenshot and saved it right here on my desktop. But that's the best way that I know of to be specific on taking a screenshot on Windows 11. And it also lets you be selective on what you want to capture in that screenshot. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.